So hello guys, so in this episode and in this short I'm going to show you guys how to be able to do a camera test, right, by displaying your camera on your browser. So we are going to start here and we're just going to say, call it an h1 tag and say camera test. Okay, this is camera test, and we're going to use a video tag, okay, to be able to pass a video stream here. So we're going to use the idea of video and we're going to give it a width, okay, let's say 640, and we're going to give it a height of, let's say 480, okay, and down here we're going to come and include a script file, okay. So we're going to include the script file here, and the script file we're going to include is going to have the source. I'm going to call it script.javascript. So so what we are going to do here, or what we're actually doing here, this is it here, the index and the script here. So, and you can see when we come here, we need to now say const, let's say for example video, or video, we're going to say document, okay, document.get element by id, and we're going to say here video, okay. Now to be able to get that video, we need to request access to the camera. So by doing that, we need to say navigator dot media devices, okay, and then we get the user media. Now on the user media that we want to access here, we want to say video, okay, we want to set the video to true, and the audio we can set it to false, okay. Now this is some kind of like asynchronous operation, so we have a dot then, okay, and in this dot then now we have a stream that will be provided to us, and this stream, okay, in this stream we get this video dot source object, okay. We passing the source, can I even get that source object, okay, send that to the stream, I think it is src, okay, and to the stream. So the value, the stream is being provided to here, right? It's just almost like we're attaching the video stream to the video. Then now we now call the video and we play it, okay, we play, not on play. And also remember, I said some kind of asynchronous operation, then we can always have a catch, right, in case we try to access the camera and there is an error. So we can then console log here, for example, error accessing camera, okay, and then we provide the error there, okay. So now we're going to run this. Let's try to go live, okay, and let's see what is going to get to us. And you see here we're trying to request the camera, okay, and I click allow, and you can basically see me here. So basically that was that, and thank you guys for watching.